Wow! Treasures! Oh wait! There are more! Oh, these are the things that I am looking for. Things that start with letter P. Okay, what are those? Parrot. Okay, next one.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Oh, big.
Big.
Plant.
Plastic plant. And this one? Pot.
Pot.
Yeah. Pear. How about this?
Puzzles.
Puzzle. And we have the last one. Whoa! What are these?
Pen.
Pens. Hooray for Captain Tim! Hi friends! Our letter friend for today is letter P. This is the uppercase P. Say uppercase P. This is the lowercase p. Say lowercase p. This is the uppercase P. And this is the lowercase p. This is how we write the uppercase P. Standing line and curved line. Uppercase P. And this is how we write the lowercase p. Standing line and curve. Lowercase p. Do you know that letter P has sound? Letter P says
Pa.
pa. Letter P says
Pa.
pa. Chant with us. I say pirate, you say
Pirate.
I say P, you say
Pig.
and I say pa, you say
Pa.
I say parrot, you say
Parrot.
and I say P, you say
Pig.
I say pa, you say
Pa.
very good. Your turn, kids. Get ready. I say pear, you say, and I say P, you say, I say pa, you say, I say pig, you say, I say P, you say, and I say pa, you say, I say pumpkin, you say, and I say P, you say, and I say pa, you say, I say pie, you say, I say P, you say, and I say pa, you say, yay! For our letter P, I will make pirate P. You need letter P cut out like this and put a black paper at the back. This will serve as pirate eye patch. You need like this for pirate scarf, head scarf or bandana. Eye. And like this. Okay, watch. I am going to make a pirate P. idea for letter P. We will make, okay, guess what I'm going to make? It is an animal. It lives in a cold place. What is it? And it starts with letter P. Pa. Penguins. For penguins craft, you need milk carton. Wrap it with black paper. You need paper like this, shaped like this. Oval paper like this. For penguins' beak. 2 eyes. And for penguins' feet. Watch Teacher Lorie. Ta-da! P for penguin. Bye friends! Till next video!